Welcome to a new video from Creative Technology. So, do you like chocolates? Sure, me too. I think everybody loves chocolates, and that's why today we are going to enter the fantastic world of chocolate. Come with me and you will see how these little chocolate bunnies are made. They're really cute, but much more. You will see how the chocolate you find in your supermarket are made. I think your mouth is going to water when you see these delicious chocolates. You will love these images. Now I feel a little hungry. So, comfortable yourself and let's watch this delicious video.
Lin's Golden Bunny is one of the most famous chocolates in the world, especially at Christmas. Do you want to know how they're made? In this video, you will discover it. Did you know that in the United States, 45 kilos of chocolates are consumed every second? It produces even more pleasure than a kiss. The manufacturing process has several stages. First, the chocolate is poured into a bunny-shaped mold and cooled. Then, it is covered with a golden wrapper and a red scarf. It's a fashionable bunny! The final result is fantastic! Now, it is ready for you to try it out. Would you like to? Yum! We all like chocolate, but few know how it is made, from the plant to your home. Pay attention because you will be surprised. Shall we bet? You know that the basis of chocolate is cocoa? These beans are dried and heated to obtain a powder. Thanks to these large machines, the cocoa is turned into chocolate. The chocolate is cooled down to the shape the chocolatier wants. Many products can be made with this chocolate. As you can see, the process is long, but the result is exquisite. Do you know how a chocolate company works? Behind a chocolate bonbon or a bar of chocolate, there's a lot of work. In this video, you will see it by taking the example of a company with more than 100 years of experience. The secret ingredient of this chocolate is a high-quality cocoa. For the manufacture of chocolate, manual work is important, as well as using modern technologies. It is very interesting to discover the secrets of a chocolate company. Fascinating to see how cocoa is transformed into chocolate, and thanks to these machines we can enjoy products like this. What do you think? Now I feel like eating chocolate. Would you like some chocolates like this? I'm sure you do. But first, I invite you to see how the process of the creation is. You will love it. Before the chocolate gets to you, it goes through a very long process. Remember that the secret is in the little details. As you can see, the result is amazing. Technology allows a chocolate bar to be both great and environmentally sustainable. In this case, let's see how these chocolate bars are made. They are delicious! Currently, between 40 and 50 million people depend exclusively on the chocolate business. The final touch is a chocolate bar that covers the bar. As you can see, the result is amazing. I'll let you go in on a little secret. It's been proven that just smelling chocolate stimulates your brain. Impressive, huh? But I'm sure you're not just gonna want to smell it.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe, click like, activate notifications, and don't miss out on these other fantastic videos. Bye!